I am Jason. I have got a computer in my room. Computers have two types, laptop and desktop. I have a desktop computer. I use my computer a lot. The computer is very important for me. With my computer, I listen to music, read books and play games. When I have the internet, I can talk to people too. I have a keyboard, a mouse and a monitor for my computer. YouTube is my favorite website. I love watching funny animal videos on YouTube. I don't have a printer, but I really need one because I always need to print something for school. I can use my computer to learn something new. The first computers were very big. They were size of a room. They were so big that people didn't have them at home. I can't imagine how my life would be without my computer.
Please subscribe our channel and like the video.